Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to WinTrader. In this today's live video, I will explain how to use our 4-level confirmation strategy. So for that, I open this Bank Nifty chart and the time frame and select is for intraday wise. I set the time frame 5 minutes, and you can see this white vertical line is our daybreak line. So it's today we got one signal, that is buy signal. In this version, for buy and both buy side and sell side software gives two different types of signal. One for buy is green and blue, both are buy signal, and for sell is red and yellow. So whenever software gives a signal, now first you have to check the confirmation of the signal. Checking the confirmation is very easy in this version. There is a 4 levels of confirmation. So whenever software generated signal, first confirmation you have to check. First confirmation, it will show here like trade in buy only. That is the first confirmation. After the arrow, you have to check trade. The first confirmation, it will show trade buy only. That is the first and main confirmation. If it is not showing trade buy only, then that is a fake signal. Just avoid the signal. The first confirmation, after the arrow, you have to check trade buy only. That is the first confirmation. And second confirmation, below the arrow there are 3 indicators. First indicator, second indicator, and third indicator. These 3 indicators should be in the color of should be in blue color. So if these 2 confirmations, these 4 confirmations are okay, then directly you can take the take the trade. First confirmation, first arrow will come. After that, you have to check the price should be in buy only. Trade buy only. That is the first confirmation. Trade buy only. If it is in correct buy zone, now you can see we got a buy signal here, and that in this candle we got that buy signal. So you have to check this. You can see there is a purple dotted line is here now. On above the purple line is the buy area, and below the purple line is the sell area. So you have to check whenever software gives a signal. Now the candle must be formed above that purple line. Sorry. So before whenever software generates a signal, the first confirmation, the candle should be above this purple line. If it is above the purple line, that is the correct buy area. Then automatically it will show here like a trade buy only. So same vice versa, if it is correct sell area, the candle should be formed below that purple line. If it is correct sell area, then automatically software will show here. It will show here like a trade sell only. So it's very simple, there is no confusion. First you have to check the wait for the arrow. If it is buy arrow, then first confirmation trade buy only. It will show here like a trade buy only. If it and the second confirmation below the arrow, the 3 confirmation parameter. The 3 confirmations are okay now, then directly you can take the position. Totally we have to check 4 levels of confirmation. These 4 confirmations are okay, then that is a confirmed signal. Then it will give about 95% accuracy on the same signal. And on below you can see 4 levels of confirmation and 4 levels of target will come. There are 4 targets and stop loss is there. That is a trading stop loss. It's a very simple software. Following this software is very simple. The same strategy you can apply for all segments like MCX, NSE, FOREX, COMEX, and Agri. And if there is any doubt or regarding this version, and or if you are interested to check this version in live market and in any segment, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga, and 9061973737. This is my official number. You can call or you can WhatsApp. Even in Sunday and Saturday, you can directly contact me. And or baki other details like our website details are mentioned in our description box. And thank you for watching my video.